you guys, if you have any question, anytime you have any question, you can text me so that uh, I can even directly I will reply for your message and answer your question. Okay, we can make one-to-one session so that we can any idea. If you miss any idea, I can tell it for you another time. So let's now start. You can see my screen, guys. Can you hear me? Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes,
Can you
yes,
hear
yes, sir.
me?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Where are you guys? Please, all of you guys, I need now
Yes, we
from
understand.
all of you now, open your cameras. Now, all of you. I will not start even if you didn't open your camera. All of you, not one or two or three or just Nuruddin or Hadi, sorry. All of you guys. Okay, hurry up.
Good
Those who
morning.
will not open, good morning. Those who will not open the camera, I will be obliged to tell them to leave the meeting. So please open your camera, guys, all of you. I'm respecting you guys, so please respect me. That's it. Okay? Okay, thank you guys. So now I will start. Uh, keep the camera open, okay? I want to see all your nice faces. So keep the camera open because in order to see you and to participate more and to have more communication between us. Guys, it's about finding the point on a graph or the position time graph. So on y-axis we will see the position in meters, and on x-axis you will see the time in seconds. Sometimes you can see that y-axis will be on replaced with x-axis and so on. We will now start solving some exercises so that the same exercises different values will be on your exam. So pay attention, and if you have any questions, stop me and just tell me to repeat. Okay, what are the ways in order to represent, okay, emotion? First way is by word, so that I can say that, for example, I am 15 meters away from the mall, I am 15 meters away from my house, and so on. This is by words. By emotion diagram, you all know what is emotion diagram. We already talked about motion diagram and setting particle diagram, that is replacing the object that is moving with points. Okay, and the data table that we also talked about, the data table, and finally the position time graph. So this is the position time graph. Okay, now let's start, guys, solving this exercise. Okay, before this, okay, who will read, guys?
Can I read, Mister?
Yes, Karim, please.
Where was Juanita at time 0.5 hours?
Okay, what do we have here, guys? We have a position time graph. Position here in kilometers, guys. You can see it here in kilometer and not in meters. This is in kilometer. Okay, if I highlight it here, it's in
Mister, what
kilometer
do we
and
have to
not in
convert?
meter. So now let's see. Let's see.
Mister,
At what time was
Mister,
the
what do we have to
magnitude of?
convert?
Let's see, guys. If they ask, if they ask me to convert, I will. But if they didn't ask me, I will not convert. Okay? Okay. What time was the magnitude of Heather's position equal to 2 kilometers? This is our question, guys. First of all, where was Janita at time t equal 0.5 hours? It means that 0.5 hours is what? Let us convert it, guys. You all know how to convert. T equal what? 0.5 hours. So from hours, if I want to convert it to seconds, what shall I do?
Multiply by
Times
Multiply 60.
yes, multiply by 6.
Multiply by 60, guys. Each 1 hour is 60 seconds.
60 minutes. So you said you want to convert to minutes.
60 minutes, semester.
Excellent. So if I want to convert it to minute, I multiply it by 60. But if I want to convert it into seconds, I will multiply it to twice by what? By 60. So first time I multiply it by 60 and another time by 60. So it will be what? It will be, who can give me the number? Hurry up, please, guys.
what,
Mr. 1800.
1,800. And what
Why
is
don't
the
we-
unit here?
Sir, why don't we do
What?
kilometers per hour?
No, I'm not getting now the speed, guys. You are not responsible for anything about speed. The next lesson will be the speed. You mean kilometer per hour when we make the division between distance and time, or the position and time. Yes, Karim? So later on we will talk about speed. That is, just now you must know that every time I am plotting the as a function of time, so I am what? I am plotting the velocity of this moving object, the velocity or the speed. You know what is the velocity or the speed. So here, if we are locating the position as a function of time, so this is the velocity v. You will just know that this is the velocity, but later on we will see what is velocity. Okay,
Yes,
what?
sir. If we
Yes.
change it to seconds, that means we need to change kilometer to meter.
Yes, excellent. But now just I am giving the abbreviation of the time. Now I will go to the position. Position is x, guys. Yes. So x is in kilometers. What shall I do here? From kilometers to meters, what shall I do?
2
So it
divide
is.
1000.
Who can tell me what is the value of the when the time t equals 0.5? What is the value that Janita?
2 kilometers.
Okay, what is the position of Janita? What?
2 kilometers.
2? Let's see here if it's
No,
2.
no,
Let
not
me
2.
get.
No, mister, 2.5.
2.5
Okay,
or less than 5.
let me get what? Let me get the ruler, guys. All of you, please keep with me. Okay, it's an important thing in order to see the. This is 0.5, guys. You can see the 0.5 here. So if I get the value of Janita, so this is Janita. You can see it. You can see here the point. So if I go from here to here, so it will be where you can see it now. The dotted one, or the red line. So
Yes,
it's between 2 and between 3. It's between 2 and 3. Okay. So it's what, guys?
2.5.
2.5, semester.
Excellent. So it's 2.5. So here x is
Sir,
2.
I'm a bit confused. Why you did all of this? I confused.
What?
I'm confused. Why did you do a lot of stuff?
Why I do what?
So can you re-explain all of this? Because I got confused from each step.
Yes, I will explain it again. Here you want to know how can I sorry, just 1 minute. Okay, so you need to know from where I get this here, guys. I will not change it into, I will not change it. If I will leave it kilometer and per hour. Okay, here, just I want you to know if this is t, time t, guys. Okay, so t is equal to 0.5. I will get here in this.
So the steps.
I will come here to this value. It will be, this is the black dotted line. Can you see it? From 0.5, I go to Janita's position. It will be what? It will be a 0.5 value. Why 2.5? Sorry, value. Why? Because it's between 2 and 3. You get it, Karim?
Yes, miss.
Okay, great. So now, guys, another time, this is how can I find using the graph the position? Okay, if they give us the time. So if the time is 0.5, so the position is between 2 and 3, it's 2.5 kilometers. Now, at what time was the magnitude of Halter's position equal to 2 kilometers? So they give us the 2 kilometers, and they want from us to know what is the time. So I get here this point, the intersection between this line and Halter's position is here. Okay, so here if I want to know what is the time between this interval and this interval, I will count starting from 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1. So this is what, guys? Who can tell me? So this is 0.6, this is 0.7, this is 0.8. 0.8. Excellent, guys. So it's 0.8. Now t here, you get it? So 1. As a conclusion, 1t equals, first of all, 0.5. Okay, the position x will be what? From here, 2.5. This is the answer, guys. And 1x equal to 1x equal to 2 kilometers. So t will be equal to what? Who can tell me?
0.5.
Excellent. 0.8 and not 5. 0.8 here, guys. At 2, it's 0.8 hours. Okay? So, guys, now this is in kilometers, this is in hours, and this is in hours. I want from you now to convert this into, let's say, I want to convert time, first of all, I want it in minutes and then in seconds. So what shall I do here? If I want to convert,
what you want,
you are
mister?
all with me, guys.
Guys,
You are all turning off your cameras. So why? All of you guys, open your cameras. Hurry up.
Mister, I saw nobody opened his camera, so I could.
Open your cameras, guys. Hurry up. Thank you. So here, guys, if I want to just convert from hours to seconds, so I will convert first from hours to minutes. So I will multiply by 60. And from minutes to seconds, I will multiply by 60 again. So 60 times 60 is 3,600. So I can directly convert from hours to what? To seconds, using directly 60 times 60, that is 3,600. It's a way to convert directly from hours to seconds. And another time from kilometers to meters. You will see this later on, guys, when we start working on velocity. But from kilometers to meters, you will use the conversion. I will multiply also by 1,000 now. Okay, from kilometers to meters. That's it. You got it, guys? How can I take the look? If I have the time, I can get the position, and if I have the position, I can get the time. So all is clear, guys? Before I continue, all is clear?
Yes.
Do you have
Yes.
any problem? Do you have any question, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, before I continue, I want from you all to raise your hands so that those who are not opening their cameras, please open your cameras. Hurry up, guys.
Sir, make it gallery preview so you can see us all.
All of you guys open your cameras. Hurry up. Please, not every time I want to stop explaining and tell you open your camera. Always open your camera. That's it.
Mister, I don't have my face cam plugged in.
Okay, so please, who's talking now?
Riyadh.
Riyadh, please, you want to fix this problem, okay? Please contact
I'm
me
like-
later and
No, mister,
even
mister, I have a face cam. It's just not plugged in.
it's not logged in. So
It's not
you must
plugged in,
fix it.
mister. It's in my sister's room. I can't go get it. She's in a class.
You can make no problem. You please, Riyadh, after 2 okay p.m. contact me so that if you have any, you can send me an email so that I can send it to Mr. Hani or someone, because they are always asking
Mister, I
me
can fix it
to
next
tell you
class. I
that.
can fix it next class. It's fine.
Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Now let us continue, guys.
Sir, you are lagging games, sir.
Okay, mister.
Sorry, you are lagging a lot, mister.
Now it's better, guys.
No, mister, it's still the same.
Mister, I opened my camera. Can you see me?
Yes, Abdulrahman. Thank you. So all of you guys keep opening your cameras. Now it's better, guys. Can you see my screen?
Yes, mister, we can
Yes.
see it.
Okay, so now multiple objects on a position time graph. If there is more than one object on a graph, guys, we can draw even 1,000, 1 million object that is moving at the same time. Suppose you all know the Google Maps, guys, yes? You know that the Google Maps is a position time graph, is a position of a car, let's say, as a function of time. So when the car is moving, so we can see that the car is now moving in this place as a function of time. So if you see here, guys, the motion of more than one object can be graphed on a single position time graph. So using one or using single, using single position time graph, I can just draw all the positions or as a function of time of many objects. Let's say here object A, object B, object D, and object C. These are all moving objects. Let's say at time t equal 1, okay, we can separate them, guys. You can take each one alone. So you can forget about all, and for example, if I am working on A, so I will see that A, let's start at time t equal to 0. Okay, let's say the position of this object is away from the origin by 1, 2, 3, let's say. Another time, the position of D. So the position of D is at time equals 0. The position of D is minus. So maybe, guys, sometimes some objects are to the left from the origin, and sometimes some objects are to the right. So sometimes we can say that this object is minus by referring to the origin, we can say that this object is -1, let's say, meters away from the origin, or this object is +4, let's say, away from the origin. So it's easy, guys, to know that there will be, for example, here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 objects are moving in a system at the same time. So we can draw all the moving objects on the same position time graph. When two lines intersect, then what, guys? If two lines intersect here, let's say, so if two lines intersect, we must say that, see here, guys, when two lines intersect, what will happen? Who can tell me? And it will be maybe you will see. Yes, you can. Let's say here the two lines intersect, or here.
Because you are lagging.
Now I'm lagging.
Yes, somehow.
So wait. I can fix
And
this.
your
Wait.
also screen, Mr. is lagging also.
Okay.
Mr. Ashraf. Hello.
Hello, now it's better, guys. You can see my screen?
No.
Yes, Mr.
Mr. Yes,
No, mister, it's frozen.
Yes,
Yes, it's frozen.
I will stop sharing. I will share it again, guys. Now you can see my screen.
I have a black screen.
I can't.
Oh no, okay.
Listen, Mr. I can now. I
see
can.
now.
Okay, great. So we are talking about here. We are talking about the intersection of the two lines. Let's say I will draw it on my Active Inspire. See here, guys. Okay, it's here. I will draw another time a position time graph. Okay, so this is the position, this is the time. Okay, sometimes you may see them in different way. I will tell you how. So this is position, it's x, let's say in meters. Okay, and this is time t, let's say in seconds. So guys, here this is the first.
Mr.
What?
If you don't mind, can you get back to the slide above this so I just can take a screenshot for 1 second?
This?
Yes. This
So
one.
just wait. Let me show this the answer. Okay, it's here. Okay, go for it. Take a screenshot.
Okay, Mr. I'm done.
Okay. So here, guys, this is the position. Let's say this is the motion or the position, the position of, let's say, object A, and another time I will draw another time the position of object B. So this is the position of object B. So what we can say about the intersection between the two here? The intersection between the two lines or the two positions. Let me draw it with another color. So this is the intersection, guys. Okay, here the intersection point. So let's say at time t, let's say 10 seconds. Okay, it's an example, guys. Okay, so at time t equal 10 seconds, the position is, let's say, 5 meters. So what will you observe here if there is, let's say, if there is two moving cars, okay, and these two moving cars, let's say here, this is a road. Okay, we have two moving cars. They are moving on a road. So okay guys, here if I want to know at time 10 seconds the position was 5, so at 5 what will happen to the two cars here? Will what?
They meet.
Who can tell me?
Intersect.
Excellent. Will we say that the two lines intersect, but the two cars,
They meet.
excellent, they meet. So they meet with each other. So if this is car A and this is car B, at 5 or after 10 seconds, okay, we can see that the two cars meet. Okay, you get it, guys? So every time when two lines intersect, the two of the objects are in the same position and at the same time. It's so important. You will see it in your exam. You will. I am telling you, you will, and you will not maybe you will see it. You will see it in your exam. Okay. So clear till now, guys? Guys, please keep with me. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, yes,
Shall I
yes.
repeat it?
Yes, mister.
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Yes.
Mister,
What?
Mister, but if the line they are not intersect, what we call
So
it?
if they are not intersecting, okay, they will not meet. Okay, but every
Only,
two lines. What?
only we say we are the two car they are not meet.
Yes, if there is no intersection between the two cars, so let's say one is going to the left, and one is going to the right. So shall they meet?
No, mister.
No. So they will not meet. But if the position of the two cars are the same at any moment or at any instant, so we can say that they will meet. You get it?
Okay.
So now guys, here another example. One, and where does Tia passes here? Here an example for this just like the example that I already give it to you. So one and where does Tia passes Luis? Here, the intersection between the 2 points. Okay, you can see it. So I will get this point. It will be 20 seconds. So
Or
it will
for
be 1 and 40 meters. It will be where. So 1 is 20 seconds and where is 40 meters.
40 meters.
So excellent. So if I'm here drawing the motion of Tia and Luis, it will be what? Let's say here, if I have this road, so this is a road, and the starting position, let's say from here, this is the starting position at time t equals 0. So both guys, or Tia and Luis, start walking here or running or whatever. Okay, so they start walking, they meet at an instant and at what? A position. So one, they reach, let's say this is 40. This is 40, guys. And the time was here, the time at time t equal 20. So they meet at this point. This is 20 seconds and this is 40 meters. So if they start running from here, guys, let's say this is Luis and this is Leia or Tia, they start running, they will meet at this point. So if I am drawing a graph, position time graph, the intersection between them will give us what? The value of 20 and the value of 40. That's it, guys. You get it? This is meters,
Mister.
and this is position, and this is time. Like you see it here, guys.
Mister,
Okay?
Yes.
Mister,
Yes.
What?
Mister, if someone have like a speed, like the speed of the person is like low, like the speed of Leah is 50 speed,
Yes.
and Tia is like 40. They will intersect
Okay.
with the other with together or no?
If they start from the same position, okay, let's say
Yeah.
they start from the same position, and you say that if there is a race between them, and one is moving faster than the another, so they will not meet. Okay, so here you will see that. Excellent question, by the way. I will draw it for you. Here you will see, let's say this is another time system. Okay, here let's say here we have the two starting from the same position. So if this is the velocity of, you say Tia, so this is the time as a function of the position, as a function of time, it's the velocity. And if the velocity of Luis, let's say, is more, so it will be steeper than Luis. So here shall they meet here, guys? If for infinity, shall they meet?
No.
No,
No,
they
sir.
will not meet.
Have the same
You
speed.
get it, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because they are different speed, Mister. Right?
If they have different speed and starting from the same position, okay? But if they didn't start from the same position, and even though if they have different speed, but they do not start from the same position, maybe meet sometimes. Okay, this is the meeting point of them. Okay, let's say here, guys, I am drawing a position, so maybe it will start from negative. It's no problem to start from negative, guys. Okay, so maybe this is the origin here, and maybe you will see that sometimes we will start from the negative value. You get it? Because here is the position. Position, it is like this. Maybe the origin will be here, so that the origin is here. This is -1. This is 1. So maybe you can see it sometimes. This is negative position. It's the position and not a value. And the position is also have a direction. So it's a vector that have a direction, so that we can say it that it is -1, let's say. So this is, guys, what I want you to know for today. I want you from you now, guys, to go to your assignment. If everything is clear, you can solve it easily. If you have any problem, just let me know. Do not solve anyway. Please let me know if you have any question. And now I will so I will assign it, so you can see it now. You are great. Guys, please, all of you, while you are solving your assignment, now it's in front of you. Just please, all of you, open your cameras. All of you, guys, because I will not consider your assignment if you didn't open your camera. I will see again the recording. So please, all of you, open your
So,
camera
Mister,
while you
what
are
do I
solving.
do?
No,
What do I-
Riyad, exception, Riyad. Okay, you will do it later on. Muhannad is leaving. Why Muhannad leave the meeting?
Mister, I'm not leaving. I'm here.
Okay, so please go for you're just smiling. What's a nice smile. So okay, Muhannad, thank you. Go for your assignment. If you have any question, please let me know. Do not submit anyway, okay? Hadi, did you open your camera? And Kareem, Muhannad, Riyad, have an exception. All of you guys, where are you? Open your cameras. The assignment is clear, guys, or do you need any help? Okay, so now I will stop recording.